Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. This week on Umkhokha guys, Haibo kushubile. We see that Ubaba Difa is finally out of hospital, you guys, and we see that he's going to be having a meeting no Mam Zobe nengane yabo, which is uGabi, and he is telling them ukuthi izolo ngahambile ngayobika mam Dimanda ngamtshela ukuthi wena Mam Zobe, you the one who gave Umthembu some poisoned water. Yo guys, that is brave of him. Akafuni noyingena, you guys. He wants to make sure ukuthi like umsulwa in this whole thing. But we see uNokuzana, we see uMam Zobe epakisha impahla zakhe, and she's like, Kabzile, awubona ukuthi kwenzakalani lana? Ayibo iyeza even yamaphoyisa hamba qoqa impahla zakho upakishe girl. It looks like Mam Zobe guys, she has plans of running away and she's influencing uKabzile to do the same, because I mean uKabzile, she had a hand in all of this guys. Then we see the leaders besonto, okay, they are gathered together and they are having a meeting and they are saying ukuthi sonke siyazi ukuthi senzanjani ngabantu who have done such a thing, which is obviously guys, we know ukuthi the what is in the pipeline for Mam Zobe is that they're going to plan to kill her and bury her, you guys. Anyway, guys, uKabzile, we see her sleeping in bed, telling us she's having a nightmare next to Nyavuga. She's like, Baba, Baba, she's screaming. And then she's trying to open the door. Is locked. I don't know what's going on. But it looks like Umkhokha wants uKabzile Naya, you guys. I'm like, what about Umtwana, you guys? Haibo uzoshuba this week, you guys. Let's see ukuthi Mam Zobe, how is she going to slip this time? How is she going to escape this time? But we all know ukuthi Umkhokha is coming to an end, so she's not going to get away this time, guys. She is going to suffer the consequences of her sins. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.